grammatical structure. In grammatical structure, they have given a sentence. So how the sentence is formed? Always. Okay. The sentence every time starts with capital letter. Capital letter. The first sentence of the sentence itself should be a capital letter, and at the end every time it should have full stop. The second point, it should have full stop. And the third point is, whenever we are forming a sentence, it should be giving us the good meaning. That means whenever we form a sentence, first point is it should start with the capital letter, and the second point is it should have full stop, and the third point is it should have a meaningful sentence. Let us see an example 1. Okay, now green vegetables are good for health. In green vegetables, you can see G is capital here, and after health there is a full stop, and the complete sentence is giving us the meaning. That means green vegetables, green color vegetables are good for health. So this is giving even the meaning to us. That is the reason it is called as complete sentence. So let's see the exercise given based on the sentences. So we have to arrange the jumbled words and we have to make a meaningful sentence. In order to make correct sentences, so what are jumbled words? They have given here and there. So we have to make a complete meaningful sentence with starting with capital letter, ending with full stop, and meaningful sentence. So first sentence they have given is, the India is Ganga in river longest the. So this is a jumbled, those are all jumbled words. Now we have to make a meaningful sentence out of this. So what will come first? T-H-E, the. In that, T should be capital. The Ganga. Ganga is a noun. So it should be, again G should be capital. T also capital, Ganga also, Ganga ka G also capital, is the longest river in India. So the Ganga is the longest river in India. India, I also should be in capital and full stop, as we have 3 rules for the sentences: capital letter, meaningful sentence and full stop. So we have made this first one. Now let us go for the second one. Giving you small tree, RV, a. Giving you small tree, RV, a or a. So we are giving you a small tree. So in this, in we, W should be in capital, and giving you a small tree. After tree, there should be full stop. Is it a meaningful sentence? Yes? Yes, it is a meaningful sentence. Now we will go for the third sentence, children. Their boys reading books are the. Now, how should we make this? Can you think now? What will be the sentence? Can you think? Yes, the boys are reading their books. In this sentence, first letter should be capital. T should be capital, and at the end there should be full stop, and this is a meaningful sentence we have made. Let's go for the next sentence. Tomorrow go will he. So he will go tomorrow. What is the first sentence they have given? Tomorrow go will he. Do you understand with this? Is it a meaningful sentence? No. So he will go tomorrow. He is a good swimming. Is there any meaning for this sentence? No. So we have to make again meaningful sentence. So let's think what will be the sentence. Yes, swimming is a good exercise. So swimming, first word, first letter of swimming, S should be in capital, and after the exercise you should give full stop as per the rules. Now we'll go for the next sentence. Let us see. Never lies good tell children. No meaning at all. So how it should be? The good children never lie. Okay. So good, in the word good, G should be capital, and after lies there should be full stop. Next sentence, helped the old man a boy. Now it should be in the order. The boy helped the old man. The boy ka T should be capital. After man it should be full stop. Next one, we will go for the 8th one. Was his mud hut up made? Was his mud hut up made? So what will be the sentence here? What will be the sentence? His hut was made up of mud. His hut was made up of mud. So his ka head should be capital. After mud there should be full stop. Now next one is sun moves the earth around the. How should be the sentence now? Earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. So here T should be capital, earth ka E should be capital, S ka S should be capital, and lastly the full stop. Now next, 10th one is put. So now we will see the 9th one. Sun moves the earth around the. So how the sentence should be arranged? So first, the earth moves around the sun. So here in the word the, T should be capital. In the word earth, E should be capital. In the word sun, S should be capital, and then full stop. Now next one is 10th one. Put on as his, he, shoulder his. So how is the sentence going to become now? He put axe on his shoulder. Yes, children. So here in the word he, head should be capital, and lastly we have to give full stop. So this is again meaningful sentence, and with the complete rules we are followed in these. So we have done with this filling the blanks now. Now let's see what is next. Next is let's listen. This is I will be giving you for homework purpose. Okay, let's listen. So let's listen. Now I'll be reading some sentences, and there we have given some drawings, some figures. So you have to color them. Listen to the instructions of your teacher and color the pictures. So what you have to do, I will give the instructions and you have to color the pictures. Yes. So you have to color the apple in red, because apple is in red color. You have to color the apple in red color. So first task is color the apple in red. Now second task is color the capsicum, peas, watermelon in green color. So you have to find where is capsicum, peas and watermelon in this, and you have to color those things in green color. Now the next task is color the mango in yellow. Okay, so mango is always in yellow color. So find out where is mango and color the mango in yellow color. Now the fifth one is color the potato in light brown. How is the potato? Potato will be creamy. So that is the reason you have to search for the radish. Light yellow should be the color for radish. And the next task for you is color the corn seeds in orange and husk leaf in light green. Corn seeds you might have seen. You would have eaten the corn, sweet corns. It should be in yellow color. Yes, it should be orangish yellow, not complete yellow, orangish. So that is the reason I am asking you to color the corn seeds in orange color and husk leaf in green color, light green color you have to use. So this is your homework task, and apart from this you have to complete your workbook also, because you will be having online test as well. So completion of homework and completion of this activity, I know you will enjoy this activity. Yes children, so let's go ahead with this activity and then complete your workbook also. So we will see you in the next lesson. Till then, thank you so much children.